Wait a minute, did I? Never mind. Maybe it's just a dream.
Geez, where am I?
Johnny, were you doing this?
I don't know, Joey, or I think. What am I thinking?
Okay, Susie? You too?
Hey, it's me, Susie. Geez, I think we are almost tired. But hey, it's a clown thing.
Hey, the lights are off.
Damn it, maybe the lights turned off, but it's okay.
Phew. Luckily, Susie, you got a flashlight.
I know, Johnny. What should we do? Run! What the heck is this place, dude?
Oh no, this is not good. They already locked down. That means we are screwed.
I swear, I'm scared right now. No! Ah, ha, 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 ha. Ah,
Johnny, what's wrong? Did you have a nightmare?
oh my God. That was a little bit dreaming.
Never mind, Johnny. And Johnny, we need to sleep, all right?
Okay guys, wait a minute. I forgot to say, that is special. Oh wait, I meant, thank you. You can check those notes. Thanks for listening my message. See ya.
That's it? That's how the episode goes? Well, okay, thanks.